Hello students, today I am going to discuss your chapter 2 fraction. Okay, exercise 2.1. Now what is first question? Compare the following fractions by using the symbol. This symbol is called greater than, and this is called less than, and this is called equal. Okay, now first you know the definition of equivalent fraction. Last day I discussed equivalent fraction. The fraction proportional to each other are called equivalent fraction. Okay, and like fraction also, whose denominators are same, are called like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, so remember these formulas. Now to convert any fraction, these fraction are not like fraction. Okay, so first we have to convert it into like fraction. Okay, now taking the LCM of 9 and 11 means taking the LCM of denominators, we get 9 into 13 is equal to 117. Okay, now we have to convert this fraction into like fraction. Okay, now we convert the given fraction to equivalent fraction by making the denominators 117. Okay, now when we multiplied 7 by 9 to 13 by 13, why we multiplied by 13? Because when we multiply 9 into 13, it comes 117. Okay, when we multiply denominators, so we should have to multiply with numerators. Okay, means 13 are equivalent fraction. Okay, 13 by 13. So when we multiplied by 7, 13s are 91 and 39s are 117. Okay, also the second fraction is 8 by 13. We multiplied by 9 by 9 because 13 9s are 117. Okay, so 8 9s are 72 and 13 9s are 117. Okay, now both denominators are same, but whose numerator is greater? This one, 91. As we know, 91 greater than 72, so 91 by 117 greater than 72 by 117. Okay, now from where 91 by 117 comes? It comes from 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is greater than 8 by 13. Okay, now second question, 11 by 9 and 5 by 9. Here denominators are same, so it is easy. The given fraction are equivalent fraction as the denominators are equal. Okay, and not equivalent, both are like fraction, not equivalent. Okay, it is called like fraction. Okay, like fraction. As we know, 11 greater than 5. Okay, so we know 11 by 9 is greater than 5 by 9. Okay, now question number 4, 17 by 15 and 119 by 105. Okay, now what is the LCM of 15 and 105? It comes 105. Okay, now we convert the given fraction into equivalent fraction. Now when we multiply 15 into 7, it comes 105. Okay, so when we multiply it by 15, we should also multiply with numerators, that means 17. Okay, so 17 sevens are 119 and 15 sevens are 105, and this fraction given 105, why 119? So we should multiply it by just 1 by 1. Okay, so 105 ones are 105 and 119 into 1 is equal to 119. Okay, now both the fractions are same value, numerators and denominators here also. So it comes from 17 by 15. So 17 by 15 is equal to 119 by 105. Okay, now what is the second question? Arrange the following fraction into ascending order. Okay, LCM of all the denominators 8, 6, 8, 4, 3. Okay, we take LCM, we get 24. Okay, now we convert the given fraction to equivalent fraction. Okay, we convert this fraction into equivalent fraction, means to make denominators 24 we should multiply 8 by 3. Okay, so when we multiply it by 8 by 3 we should also multiply it by with numerator 3 by 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 8 3 is a 24. Now 5 by 6, second fraction. Okay, we multiply 6 into 4 to convert to obtain 24 as a denominator. So we should also multiply with numerator. So 5 4 is 20 and 6 4 is 24. In this way here also 8 3 is 24 and 6 3 is 18. Okay, in this way we multiply all the fractions. Okay, now all the denominators are same. Okay, whose numerator is ascending order means smaller to larger. Okay, smaller to greater. Now whose all the denominators are same, whose numerator is greater 8. So we write 8 by 24 greater than 9 by 24 greater than 12 by 24 greater than 18. After 12 18 and last one 20 by 24. Okay, because 8 9 12 18 and 20 are in ascending order. So from where 8 by 24 comes? 8 by 24 comes from 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 greater than 9 by 24 from where? Here 3 by 8. And from where? 12 by 24. 12 by 24 comes from 2 by 4. So we write 2 by 4. And 18 by 24. 18 by 24 comes from here 6 by 8. So we write 6 by 8. And last one 20 by 24, it comes from 5 by 6. Okay, descending order are also same, but you just to arrange from greatest to smallest. Okay, same thing.